Hey peaches, what is up? I am back with a crazy looking bun again. So today I'm going to be doing a magnetic eyelash tutorial for you guys. I have been wearing these like crazy lately, and every time I post about them on Instagram, you guys are like, when do we get a tutorial? Let me take a minute and explain why it's taken me a long time to do this. Number uno. The first time I ever tried to use magnetic eyelashes, I'm going to try my hardest to find the video evidence of it. I was already filming another video. This was probably in like January or February. I was doing all these new products and I was really excited, and the video kind of was already not going good, and so I was getting a little frustrated. And then I got to the magnetic lashes and I was like, this part's gonna be easy. And lo and behold, it was not. I was so angry. I was like, these stink. I'm never using them again. I'm so mad. And I don't think that video ever made it to YouTube, surprisingly. Okay, here we go. I'm so nervous. But basically the way I understand this, it says, okay, gently remove the upper magnetic lash from the tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Gently remove the under magnetic lash line and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two. It goes like that. I'm so scared. And then we're putting these under. I need to move this closer. How do you put this under? I literally don't get it. Yay, they worked. It's not going good. How do you do the under? Holy crap, this is frustrating. Oh my gosh, it won't do the front of my eyelashes. So these don't work. I can't do them. Cool, good to know. Ooh, girl. I mean, these are never gonna look good. Oh my good gracious. No, it's a fail. I hate them. So the first time I tried them, I was so mad about it that I was like, I'm literally never trying these again. And then I got intrigued again and was like, I don't know if this happens to you guys or not, but sometimes if something doesn't work out for me and I feel like it should, like if it's something that I can learn how to do basically, and I just haven't yet, I almost get in this mindset of like, no, we're gonna learn this, we're gonna master this. And so that's how lashes were for me, the magnetic ones. So I wanted to give you guys a little brief history. If you can hear a little bit of buzzing, that's my lights down here, because you know this is the basement. Do you guys like my setup back here? I've been working so hard on the beauty room. I feel weird to do like a tour of it because this is it. Like this, everything you're seeing is pretty much the room. But I'm thinking on my vlog channel, I'm going to get the ball rolling on like house projects. This isn't really a life update video. I don't know why it's turned into that. But anyways, I explained in my last video, if you guys have not seen the last video that I uploaded a couple days ago, I'll put it up here, but it is my current favorites video. I explained in that one kind of that the reason you have not seen any new vlogs from me is because my camera has gone crazy. But anyways, I am thinking of doing like a video that way. But would you guys want a tour of it on this channel? I just feel like it's not 100% done yet, for sure. And I don't really know if it ever will be, or if it'll always just kind of be like a work in progress, but I'm really happy with it right now, how it looks. One other quick thing before I actually get started, if my lips look funny, it's because they are funny. I have like foundation lips right now, but I had to put a little bit of a treatment on there. My lips have been so incredibly dry lately, which I always have chapped lips, but lately it's just like a real serious problem. So I'm doing my lipstick after I do this part, so you guys don't mind that. Anyways, moving forward. So the reason that I like these magnetic eyelashes and the whole concept behind them is because for me, I never really thought I had super overly sensitive eyes. I wear contacts, and so to me, I feel like if I can make it through a day with contacts, I'm like, no, my eyes aren't sensitive. Anytime I use lash glue, at some point in the day, my eyes are irritated, and more than anything, I notice if I'm doing my makeup in the morning, cool, great, good to go. By the time I get to work, cool, great, good to go. By like the middle of my workday, it's almost like I have to take them off, which obviously you guys know if you wear fake eyelashes, it changes your look dramatically to go from having a full lash to no lash. So I don't really like to wear those for that reason. I've tried tons of different glues, but if you guys do have a good suggestion for me, the last one I tried, I can't remember which one it was, and it did really good, but the point is, at some point during the day, my eyes are red, they're irritated, and I'm ready to take the eyelashes off. Magnetic ones. So I've been wearing these because I can do my makeup in the morning at 6:30 a.m. like I do every single day. 6:37. Go through my whole work day, go through the whole evening, cook a dinner, clean the house, wrangle the deer in the backyard, take Suki for a walk, like do the whole thing. And by the end of the day, when I'm like getting ready for bed, they feel so much like nothing is there that I could probably forget to take them off and go to sleep with them. They're that comfortable to me. So I'm not kidding that I wear them from that early till about 10:30 or 11 at night. So for me, it was just like common sense. This is what I want to wear. I don't wear these every day, but I have been wearing them a lot more often because they just kind of add a little bit of flair. And right now I'm really about playing with makeup application and colors and just the whole shindig. And I've really embraced the fact that I work in a work environment where I can wear this kind of makeup and it's not like, ooh, calm down. I'm pretty much to the point on these where I almost need some new little ones because they got a lot of makeup in them. I've been cleaning them by getting a little spoolie and just like, I don't know if you guys can even see, but basically combing them. That I feel like is the easiest way to get any little hairs or fuzzies or glitter or whatever out of there. But let's start with what you need to do before you get these ready. Obviously, buy magnetic lashes. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So I'm going to show you guys my little collection of them, but I'm going to be honest, this is the only pair that I use. So this is the latest pair that I got. These are the Wispies, and they, if you guys can see, come with the little magnetic tweezers, kind of, right? That's called a tweezer. I got these because I thought that they looked like lightweight enough that if I just wanted to do like mascara and then these and not a lot of other makeup, I almost always do my eyebrows, but just for like lighter days, I thought they would be good. I have not gotten a hang of this particular pair yet, and I don't know why. I don't know why I talk like I'm from North Dakota now, but I don't know how that happened. These I just love, but I haven't gotten the hang of them. So that's why I pretty much stick to the pair I'm gonna show you guys today, which is the Double Demi Wispies. This is just the container. So they'll come like with the under and then upper, but they'll come like this. So it doesn't matter if these that say upper are on the lower, or if the upper, or if the under are the upper can go under or upper. The under can go upper or under. It doesn't matter, but the newest ones that I've gotten, I'm like telling you guys this, but really this part doesn't matter, but hey. So the Wispies that I've gotten, the under pair, you guys are never gonna be able to see this, even if I have my focus like super great, but the under pair, there's no way you could see, have on the magnets a little red dot. So some of them are specifically obviously for under because you don't want the red dot on the upper part of your eyelash. Double Demi Wispies, definitely my favorite. I think that they definitely add like a lot to your look, but not like, to me anyways, not enough where it's like you can't wear it during the daytime. So number one, what you're gonna wanna do after you buy your lashes is put on mascara. So that was my number one mistake, which I don't read instructions. I pretty much am just like, I got it, I'll figure it out. No. So if you don't wear mascara, a junk call.
Know that we have been granted a limited help few weeks, so your family can get it.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for holding. My name is Jay. Are you looking for coverage for your stuff or family today?
No, I just wanted to get removed from your call list.
All right. I'll remove you from the call list as we hang up. I'm sorry for any inconvenience. Okay?
No problem. Thank you so much.
No problem. You sound very cute.
Ew. My face is gonna get red. I hate when people flirt with me. I am married! You'll definitely want to wear mascara. That is like the number one key to making these work, because otherwise they're just gonna slide off of your eyelashes. Your magnetic part is obviously gonna stick to itself, but you have to have a little bit of a grip there. I don't know if that makes sense. So mascara is already on my eyelashes. I don't really know how to set you guys up that is gonna be like the most beneficial way for you to see everything. I can't believe that guy said that. Why didn't I have a comeback ready? So here are, I'm gonna do it in front of me so maybe you guys can see on my purple. Both lashes are already together right now. They really slide apart super easily. So again, it doesn't matter which one of these is on top and which is on bottom. You're just gonna make sure that the more flared part is on like that eye, you know? So that the bigger part of your eyelash is on the right eye. Okay, so we're gonna take the first lash. And how I like to do this, I like to already have like the other lash in my other hand. And then you're going to, hope you guys can see, basically, so this is another big thing. Instead of putting it on this way so that it's like flat, try to put it down this way a little bit so that it's kind of more open. You can definitely get it to stay this way, but it looks a little fishy. So you'll go basically like down this way. And we're just gonna move it around a little. I try not to blink very much. I say as I blink once I have this on top. And then you're gonna get your other lash. There's a hair on mine. And you're gonna and now you have your lash on. Really simple, really easy. The big parts of this are getting it lined up pretty good, and sometimes I have to take these off a few times to get them right. But the great part about these being magnetic is if you can just like get your, I like to get my nail under the magnet and just peel the bottom part off and then the top part, and it's just easier, I think, to get off and on than a glue lash, you know? So basically what you're doing is you're taking your top lash, I have this one in my hand ready to go, and you're moving this one around so that it's facing up this way, not straight out. And sometimes I like to like pull it a little bit so that it kind of won't be like in a little bit of a cluster. It kind of looks more fanned out. And then when you take your bottom lash, I find it easier if you have your mirror like right under you so you can look down. I get both little ends of it, and then you'll know, so I have 3 magnets I'm lining up here. And I just, boom. So they'll click. You don't have to do a lot of the work. You just have to get them lined up and then like back them up to it. And there's your lashes. How easy is that? So easy. Like I said, these are so comfortable. When you first get these, you may want to trim them. I trim them because when I started being like, how do you do these? Everybody was like, trim them when you get them. I don't know that I really needed to. And I definitely cut this one in a bad spot because the front of this one kind of gets a little funny. That's why I need to go get another pair of these, but I think they're absolutely amazing. I didn't even say this, but these are from Ardell. I don't know if other brands are doing magnetic lashes. I'm sure that they are. If there's one brand doing it, it has to be, you know, a thing. Sometimes like this lash right now is like tilted a little weird. So sometimes I can like move it around without having to take it off. And the only like irritant I'll say sometimes happens is if I'm looking forward, I can see just a little bit of the bottom of the magnet, but it is not like an uncomfortable thing at all. And really, I don't see them very much. So super easy. I will say also that obviously don't get these wet because since the magnets are there, you don't want them to like rust and get gross or anything, but really, really incredibly easy. I don't know if that was helpful at all. I figured this would be a really fast, not so great video, and that's just because it's so just like put the first one, put the second one, that I don't know, I feel like I don't do a good job explaining it, but all you're doing is putting that first eyelash, swoop down behind your other natural eyelashes, and then matching up the magnets. That's it. So the other thing that sometimes does happen is if you get these magnets too close to your eyelid, it can pinch them a little. Just take it off and try it again. And maybe try this on a day you don't have somewhere to be, or you're not filming a video, because you could get frustrated. But super easy. I hope it was a little bit helpful for you guys. Definitely adds a little bit of drama to your look too, but not like to the extent that, like I said, it's wearable. So I've been loving them. I hope that you guys can get some and that this video is at all helpful. My biggest tips are take your time. Know that you can start over a lot easier with these than you can if you're gluing lashes, and wear mascara. Anyways, I'm going to put some lips on and take some pictures for Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video, but please let me know what you do want to see. I'm thinking basically just doing videos now where I sit down, turn on the camera like this, and then just do makeup and talk. I'm not great at that though. So basically not like tutorials, just kind of like get readies with me. Is that interesting? I don't know. You guys will have to tell me. If you guys are not already following me on Instagram, please click the link down below. It'll take you right to Instagram and you can follow me there. I post a ton there. That's probably like my most favorite social media outlet. I didn't say this, but this Hoodie is the Cosmic Queen from Skull House Designs, I think it is. I'll have them down below too, but I think this was a limited release. Not sure about that. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get going and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.